Hey guys, so today we are going to be doing an unboxing of my sparkling water maker. So this is something I have been having my eye on at Target, and my lovely husband decided to get it for me as one of my Valentine's Day gifts. So he thought it would be a good idea if I did an unboxing video with you guys. So that's what we're going to try to do together. I never did this before. I'm pretty sure if y'all watching it, y'all never did it before. So we're gonna get right into it. But before we do that, I wanted to show you guys the really good flavors. Well, I'm saying they're really good. I never had them. I want to show y'all the flavors that he also got me to go with this. We got ginger ale. Then we have lemonade. I love lemonade so much. Like, I don't think y'all understand how much I love lemonade. I drink it like every day when I was pregnant, the frozen lemonade. We also have Mountain Dew. I'm not a big Mountain Dew fan, but we'll see what it's given. We also have cherry cola. And then I think this one might be my favorite. This one is strawberry watermelon. So let's get into it. Looks like it's pretty much put together for the most part. You guys see it's in white and gold. I just love white and gold appliances. We're getting ready to redo our kitchen and it's gonna be white and gold everything. I just think it's so pretty, so classic, so timeless. So the machine is pretty much put together. Oh, I'm gonna try to do this as fast as possible. This top, I don't know what it goes to yet. I'm gonna look at the instructions. It looks like it says this is a soda stream cylinder. Y'all, I ain't read the instructions yet, but just even before I read them, I'm just looking at it like, what is this for? I'm just curious to know what that is. I gotta hurry up because I hear LJ in the background. He's with his dad, but I know he missed me. We got the unsweetened bubbly drops. Not sure how that works with it. Cause it's like if we have the drink mix, what's this for? I don't know. Is that to make it? Oh, I don't know, y'all. We gonna figure it out together. We got another soda stream cylinder. Like I said, I don't know yet what that's for. We're gonna figure it out. They gave me an additional drink mix. This is Pepsi. I'm not really a Pepsi drinker. I'm really trying to stay away from pop in general, but if I had to choose like what they call it, a dark pop, then it would probably be Coca-Cola. I like Coca-Cola, especially the cherry one. And then we have Starry. They gave me, it does say it includes like some additional bonus stuff. So this was additional in there. The Pepsi, the bubbly, that was additional. The Starry Pop, I know they I think it's been around. I think it's been around for some years, but I think they recently buy out, was it Sprite? Was it Sprite they bought out, or was it 7-Up? Comment below, because I can't remember. And then this is the other additional bonus item that they put in the box. Yo, I don't think this came with any instructions. Like, I'm not kidding. I don't see no instructions in here. Look. There's nothing in the box. There's nothing in there. Hey, I'm about to tear it up and see if I'm missing something. There's literally no instructions. Wow. There's no instructions in here. Wow. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. So, it must be straightforward then. It gotta be directions like on the box or something. Wow. this out. Lord, don't let me break this nice machine that I just received for Valentine's Day. How do you do this? Okay, guys. I'm gonna take a break so I can go watch a YouTube video because this is crazy. There is literally no instructions. That is so crazy. So I'll be back. Okay, I'm back and we figured it out. Let's see. We're making progress. All right, now I'm gonna go and fill this bottle up, and then we pretty much done. But I'm gonna let y'all see the rest. I'm gonna let you see the rest. So it started off a little bit rocky, but we did it. I took a sip, but I'll do it again for the camera. It tastes just like Pellegrino sparkling water. I am gonna add my flavor, the strawberry watermelon. Guys, so I tried my sparkling water with the flavoring, the watermelon, strawberry, and it was so good. So good. So today is my church's fashion show. We are all getting ready now. We have two different parts. We have a winter collection and we have a spring collection. Your girl is doing the winter collection, so I'm excited. Stay tuned.
Hi guys, I'm Nicole, last minute entry, here to model for the show today at church at Higher Chicago. So excited. Any words?
Can't wait.
Oh wow.
If you got your phone, you can turn on your flash and do like this. Make it like that. Fabulous. Check out her hair.
such a success. It was different. It was a lot of running around, like making sure somebody has my baby. We're gonna have to edit a lot of this out, Chloe. Making sure somebody had my baby. I am an armor bearer, so I had to make sure somebody was with my pastor. Make sure I'm pumping, because I do. So at my church, the Higher Church Chicago, every month is a big Sunday for us. We call it Big Sunday. We celebrate everything that God did throughout the month. So for today's Big Sunday, we decided to do a fashion show after service. And that was kind of my idea to do it. And my pastor was asking, like, who wants to be over it? I said, I will. Now, I grew up watching America's Next Top Model. I actually wrote a letter to Tyra Banks, probably like in 2005, and I said, Tyra, can you please have the show still going on, you know, once I turn 18, 19 and I'm old enough to do the show. Now, she did not write me back, but it's okay. You know, it was still fun. I still enjoyed those years when I was watching the show. If you guys don't have a church home and you're in the Chicagoland area, I do invite you to my church, the Higher Church Chicago. We are here Sundays at 10:20 a.m. and we're here Wednesdays at 7. So stay tuned.